Naomi Home presents the Chicago Luxury Theater Loveseat Assembly video. Before we begin, please make sure to have the assembly instructions on hand to follow along and have all the parts listed. To get started, connect the speaker console to the center base. Do so by connecting both cables and gently sliding the speaker console into the center base. Now, connect the left and right corner chair bases onto the center base. Next, connect the left backrest to the left chair base and the right backrest to the right chair base. Attach the fastening strip onto the chair base. Next, slide the left corner side piece onto the backrest. Slide the right corner side piece onto the backrest. Finally, we are going to connect all the cables. Start by connecting the LED light cable in the front. Connect the short end of your Y cable to the plug cable. Once connected, secure them in place with the plug cable's lock. Before connecting the Y cable to the back of the chair bases, make sure to remove the lock paste just as shown. Connect the Y cable to the back of the chair bases. Before finishing off, let us take a look at the control panels. On the sides of your chair base, you will find the buttons to recline. Press the front button to adjust to your desired position and the back button to change back into a chair. A USB port and a Type-C port can also be found. This button is for turning on and off the LED lights. You can also press the red button in the included remote to turn on and off the LED lights. The color selected can be changed by pressing the color buttons. The brightness intensity can be adjusted with these two buttons. The demo button starts a flashing sequence, which can be changed by selecting a mode with the mode buttons. And the frequency can be adjusted by using the speed buttons. The headrest can be adjusted to your preference. This system comes with a magnetic charger, as well as USB and Type-C ports. In addition, you have an aux port, as well as the buttons to control your speakers. Now let us look at the storage compartments. There is one in the center base, and each arm contains a storage compartment where you will find the attachable tray that connects onto your chair base. Just attach the stand onto the tray by turning clockwise and securing it with a wrench. Then gently attach it on your chair base. And there you have it. Your Chicago Luxury Theater Loveseat is complete and ready for use. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share for more Naomi Home content. You can find the product link and more in the description below.